And there you go. That's our cheesy garlic roasted potatoes ready for digging into. Come on. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Now I hope you've had a good Christmas. This is a quick recipe. We're going to make cheesy garlic roasted potatoes. In there with some potatoes. I've already cubed them. You can see how big they are. They're not very big at all. We want them small because they're bite-sized. We're going to put them in a dip. In there, melted butter. In there, a little bit of oil. We are roasting these. I'm using garlic salt. Garlic salt is on the channel. There's a link up here for you to make it if you want. If not, just use regular salt. You like that flavouring in there, you know. Want to hit that up with a little bit of black pepper. Salt and pepper to taste, obviously. And we're going to hit that up with some garlic. We're making garlic potatoes. Now, obviously, if you don't eat garlic, you can just make roasted potatoes. And we want to be giving that a mix. Oven on 220. Quite high. We want to roast these. And we want to go in there with a good pinch of Italian herbs, also on the channel. Or use any herbs of choice, up to you. Give that a good mix in and then let's get that in the oven. There we go, in it goes. Okay, we need a simple dip. In here I've got sour cream and I've got mayo. Want to go in there with about a teaspoon of lemon. A little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of pepper. Tiny bit of salt. Be careful with the salt, depends on what you're using for shop bought mayo or anything like that. If you're making it fresh, it doesn't matter. Want to go in there with some chili flakes, optional. Okay, and we want to go in there with a little bit of green onion. Want to give that all a mix in. And that is our fabulous dip. That was so easy. Now you can put any flavouring in there you like, entirely up to you. You can put herbs in, chopped parsley, anything you like, whatever you want to eat. That is going to be the dip for our potatoes. So there you go. Leave that to settle, all the flavours to meld. The garlic powder is going to rehydrate in there and give us that lovely garlic flavour through there with that green onion. That's it, that's our dip. Stick it in the fridge if you want. Keep it cool whilst we tend to potatoes, and all we're going to do is keep taking them out, turn them over, put them back in till they're roasted. Now it's going to take about 25 minutes, somewhere around about there. Nice easy recipe, fantastic as a little party piece. Sitting watching the TV, and what we'll do is we'll take some cocktail sticks so we can dib them up. There you go. Right, we just got to wait till they're cooked. So it's just a flip over and back in as many times as you like. We want to turn these over, they've got to be roasting up. Oh yeah, they smell absolutely fantastic. Smell everywhere. Beautiful. There you go, back in. Okay, when you've got a little bit of colour on like that, we want to be going on there with just a little bit of cheese. Not much, just to cheese it up a little bit. Now obviously you don't even have to put cheese on if you don't want. And then we're going to shove this back in the oven for about another 5 minutes. Just to melt a little bit of cheesiness on there. A little bit of Parmesan. Cheese of choice, mix it up, do your own blend, whatever you like. Okay, let's get that back in. Okay, that will do. Got a little bit of melty on there. There's some melty goodness right there. Come on, let's get it served up. Let's bring it in. Come on, just a little bit of parmesan on there. Few green onions. Bung on your dip. And there you go. That's our cheesy garlic roasted potatoes ready for digging into. Come on. Not much more you can say about this, but dig in. Come on. We got these potatoes all cheesied up. Oh, look at that. Sensational. In our dip. Come on. In there. Oh yeah. It just doesn't get much better really, does it? Oh. The potatoes are absolutely fantastic. They're cheesy, they've got that little bit of salt on there and everything. They are really, really good. And our dip, oh come on. What a way to sit down and watch TV. There you go. If you like what we're doing, if you like what we're doing, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make garlic roasted potatoes and a nice little dip. If you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. Oh yeah.